Spring is prime time for selling, but just because the market is hot doesn't mean every home sells fast or for top dollar. In fact, I see sellers make the same mistakes over and over, and it costs them big. So today I'm breaking down the 5 biggest mistakes sellers make and how to avoid them. Mistake number 1, overpricing your home. I get it. You want top dollar, but pricing too high will make buyers run the other way. How should you avoid it? Price your home strategically based on market data, not emotions. Look at the comparable homes that have sold, not just what's currently listed. Remember, a properly priced home gets more interest, multiple offers, and often sells for more than an overpriced one. Mistake number 2, ignoring curb appeal. Buyers decide within seconds whether they like your home. If your yard looks neglected, they might not even come inside. How to avoid it? Freshen up landscaping, trim bushes and mulch, and plant flowers. Power wash the driveway, sidewalks, and porch. First impressions matter. Mistake number 3, skipping small repairs. That leaky faucet, chipped paint, or broken door handle that's been bugging you doesn't help because buyers, they notice everything, and small issues make them wonder, what bigger problems are hiding here? How to avoid it? Fix minor repairs before listing. Make buyers feel confident that your home is move-in ready. Mistake number 4, bad listing photos or a lack thereof. Your home's first showing happens online. If your listing photos are dark, blurry, or just plain bad, buyers will scroll right past it. How to avoid it? Hire a professional agent with a good photographer. Use bright, well-lit photos to make rooms look open and inviting. And a video or virtual tour, as homes with video sell faster. Mistake number 5, not being flexible with showings. Buyers are out shopping, and if they can't see your home on their schedule, they'll move on to the next one. How to avoid it? Be as flexible as possible with showing times. The easier you make it for buyers to see your home, the faster it will sell. Spring is a great time to sell, but only if you do it right. So avoid these common mistakes and you'll set yourself up for a fast, profitable sale. I'm Shannon Comstock with Remax Gold, where digital spark and heart set your home apart. Reach out to me today to let me strategize your sale without costly mistakes.